Hello, how are you? My name is Halen, and today I'm going to be doing a Veikk drawing tablet review for you all. How exciting!
Wow!
Little disclaimer before we jump into things, this video is not sponsored by Veikk, but it is in collaboration. I receive a small commission from all sales that come as a response to this video, just so you guys know. Okay, and now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. I have been sent the Voila L tablet, which is a graphic tablet. It has a working area of 10 by 6 inches, which is personally my favorite area to work with. I use an iPad as my main drawing tablet, and it has the same dimensions, which made working with this tablet very comfortable. One of the cool things about Veikk as a company, which I learned, is that they listen to feedback from their audience, which is something I personally don't see all that often. You can see this in features of the drawing tablet itself, as they have upgraded the shortcuts to mechanical keys, which make using it alongside a laptop or PC feel more like a solid experience. Also, keys are replaceable. You can customize them however you'd like to fit your desk's setup aesthetic. Personally, I don't tend to use shortcut keys really often at all. I'd rather just use the ones that come with my PC, but I'm fairly certain I'm a minority there. And since these ones are customizable, I'm tempted to use them solely because I want to make them all cute to match my desk setup. I also enjoy that I don't have to plug in my drawing tablet to a separate outlet to give it power. I know that that's usually like a thing with display tablets that I have to do, but since this one's not a display tablet, I don't have wires going everywhere, which I appreciate. Now, on to the most important part, the drawing experience. I've been spoiled with screen display tablets for most of my digital art career, so there is 1000% a learning curve when it comes to drawing with graphic tablets that don't have a screen display. Veikk does offer screen display tablets, although they cost quite a bit more than their graphic tablets like the Voila. The drawing experience itself was enjoyable though. As you can see, I drew one of my favorite Animal Crossing villagers as a first go at this tablet. The sensitivity was great, it lived up to my standards of other drawing tablets. I'd also like to mention that the Voila tablet can be connected to an Android phone screen, which I think might be one of the biggest selling points of this tablet. If you're just starting digital art or you can't afford a laptop or a PC but already own a phone that runs on Android, you can start your digital art journey without burning a hole in your wallet, as the tablet costs only about $40 USD at the time of recording this. And with a link in the description, you get a 5% off deal when you use the code VKHalen. You can also purchase these tablets off of Aliexpress, and to get 5% off your order, just send the message from Halen to the customer service. Okay, and to the drawing. So I did a drawing of Pearl from Animal Crossing. She was one of my first villagers in my New Leaf game, which was the first Animal Crossing game I ever played. I recently got a Nintendo DS for Christmas, actually, so I modded it, and I got my Animal Crossing again. She's one of my dreamies. I'm hoping that I can get her sometime soon, or some of the original characters that I had on my first Animal Crossing island, which was called Rare Gem, except it was all one word because there's not enough letter spaces, and I was really into Steven Universe. This whole experience in drawing was definitely a learning experience. I felt like I had to relearn not only the tool that I was using, but also the drawing program. I'm so used to just sticking with my usual drawing tablet or like traditional art that learning how to get used to the disconnect between my hand and the screen was something that took me a bit. But once you've done it a few times or you practice for a little while, it will come naturally to you. Before I switched over to a screen display tablet, I used exclusively this kind of graphic tablet, and the disconnect between the hand and the screen became little to nothing for me. It's just something that you have to get used to over time. All in all, I genuinely believe that this is a wonderful tablet for anyone looking to get into digital art but not wanting to spend a crap ton of money on a commitment they don't know if they'll enjoy or not. It has a very simple startup. I didn't have to download any drivers or anything. I know that you might need to, and I'm not too sure how the process for using it on an Android phone goes if you are looking into doing that. But there's plenty of tutorials and there's plenty of instructions in the startup guide. It's just all very easy to use and affordable. To be honest, relearning how to use FireAlpaca was probably the most trouble I had throughout the entire process, which is completely unrelated to the Voila tablet itself. As I'm wrapping up my drawing, I want to go ahead and thank you guys so much for watching. I had such a good time reviewing this Voila tablet, so thank you Veikk for sending it to me and giving me the opportunity to give you guys my opinion and tell you guys all about the product. One more quick reminder that if you are interested in purchasing a Veikk tablet, that if you use the codes I previously mentioned and the ones that in this video and in the description, you will get 5% off your order. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye!